Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is the best place for entrepreneurs, content creators, and those who want to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. I am Ijaperigang, and today I'm going to share with you how you can share your face and your screen at the same time for free using MacBook. But don't worry, even if you are using Windows, you can just comment Windows so that I can give you the link to a video on how you can also share your screen and your face for free doing your training using Windows. So today, the first thing I'm going to do with my MacBook here is this is the tool we are going to use, QUICKTIME Player. So if you are using it for the first time, you can come here and on this finder and then search for QUICKTIME. You can search for QUICKTIME. Here is it. You can click on it, or sometimes you can just come here and come to this launch part. You see your QUICKTIME here and you click on it. So that is the tool we are going to be using. It's already in your MacBook. So the next thing I'm going to do is I will tap on the QUICKTIME Player here. By the time I click on QUICKTIME Player, here you discover that it is right here, the QUICKTIME Player. So I will click on File and click on New Movie Recording. So when I click on New Movie Recording, this will show. So I will just adjust it with my mouse, and then I can shift it to wherever I want it to be. So let me keep it here. Don't worry, yours will not show 2. Is because I'm using screen recording to show you how to screen record. So that's why it's showing 2, but yours will be only 1. So the next thing I'm going to do is I need it to float on top. So I will click on this view and click on float on top. The reason for this is, let me just show you here. So in case I did not do float on top, if I click here, it will cover it up. So how do I do that? So I will just go on the QuickTimer and then click on view and then click on float on top, so that by the time I open any of the window, anything I open, it will always float on top. So this is what I'm working on. In case you want to learn more about starting an online business, I'm working on video on that. So meanwhile, once I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do to start recording my face and my screen is I'm going to click on File and then click on New Screen Recorder. So by the time I click on New Screen Recorder, please at this time you have to take note. This little arrow here, you need to click on it first and then click on this internal microphone. If not, if you didn't do that, you discover that as you do your screen recording, it will not have sound. So that is what you need to do. So after you do that, you will now click here to start. So when you click on start, you will now choose either you want to record your entire screen or you just want to record a particular aspect of it. So I will click on record my entire screen so that it will start recording my screen. So please, at this time, if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to give me a like. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification. So let me see now. I have started screen recording. So let's say like maybe I want to do this training. I can start. Hello and thank you so much for being here. Today we are going to talk about online businesses you can start from your home. So here it is. I will talk blah blah blah, and that is how to do your screen recording. So let's assume I'm done. The next thing I'm going to do is here. So because the moment you start screen recording, you will notice this sign here. So this is the symbol. I'm going to click here to stop once I'm done. So once I'm done, it will come here, and then let me click on play to see if it actually recorded. So please, at this time, if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to give me a like. If you have any question, ask in the comment. In here today, we are going to start from your home. All right, let me post it here. Don't worry, my own is more layers. It's showing because I am actually doing recording in a recorder. So the next thing I will do, I will just click on here to close it, and it will ask me to title it. So I'm going to title it training. All right, so voila, I have done that. So this is how to share your face and your screen at the same time for free using MacBook. If you want to get more video like this, don't forget to ask in the comment section of this video, or tell me what you want to learn more about MacBook or about Windows. I got you covered. Until I see you again in my next video. Bye.